Stop! If you follow your car's manual, your engine will die early. Car manufacturers don't want your engine to last. That's why some fail at 130,000 miles, while true high-mileage cars are running strong at 500,000 miles. The truth is simple: forget the dealership advice. I'm revealing the 17 shocking mechanic secrets to car longevity. I'm showing you exactly how to make your car last 500,000 miles without costly repairs. But stick around, because I'm also exposing the single most expensive mistake almost every owner makes before 150,000 miles, and how you can fix it for under $20. Number 17. The 5K oil rule. If you wait 10,000 miles or a full year to change your oil, you are risking your engine life. Ask any expert, engines run best when you get fresh oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. This is the #1 rule of car maintenance. Waiting too long creates thick, dirty gunk inside that grinds against the metal. You won't see the damage today, but in 5 years it will break expensive parts like your timing chain. Use synthetic oil for new cars and regular oil for older ones. Always change the filter, and don't buy the cheap $2 ones. Buy the original brand. If your oil looks dark, change it right away to ensure engine reliability. Number 16. Change transmission fluid. Waiting for your transmission to slip before changing fluid is like waiting for a heart attack to change your diet. It's too late. Ignore the lifetime fluid label. That is a sales tactic. Fluid breaks down and collects metal shavings. The fix is simple. Drain and fill the fluid every 60,000 miles, 90,000 for hybrids. If your transmission is high mileage and the fluid has never been touched, never flush it. Just drain and refill. Crucially, use OEM fluid only, like Toyota WS. Cheap universal fluids cause slipping and long-term failure. Number 15. Coolant clock reset. Coolant gets old and turns into acid. This acid starts eating away at your water pump, seals, and the heater core. If you smell sweet fumes, you're already in the early stages of a blown head gasket. To avoid costly repairs, you must stay ahead of this. The solution is simple. Flush the coolant every 3 to 5 years. Use exactly what the manufacturer recommends. Never mix colors. Red means red, blue means blue. Mixing formulas turns your cooling system into useless sludge. Number 14. Timing belt deadline. Your car's manual might say 100,000 miles, but that's a big rick. By 60,000 to 80,000 miles, belts crack from heat and stress. Even if you don't drive often, belts get old. I've seen 7-year-old belts snap with low miles. When a timing belt snaps, the parts inside your engine smash into each other, and the engine is completely ruined. Get the belt inspected at 60,000 miles. If you have to replace it, always change the tensioner, idler pulley, and water pump at the same time. They wear together. Don't pay for labor twice. Number 13. Use high-quality spark plugs. Worn plugs cause weak sparks, poor combustion, and wasted fuel that ruins your catalytic converter. Most 100,000-mile plugs fail by 60,000 in modern turbo or direct injection engines. Stick to top-tier brands: NGK or Laser for Japanese cars, Denso for hybrids, Bosch for European, Motorcraft or AC Delco for Ford and GM. Avoid copper plugs unless specified. Change them every 60,000 miles to save your engine and catalytic converter. Number 12. Replace the fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter kills fuel pumps and injectors. You won't notice it until the car hesitates or stalls, and by then the damage is done. Replace the fuel filter every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Sooner if you drive in dusty areas or use cheap gas. Use OEM or brands like Bosch and Motorcraft. Never let a mechanic just blow it out. Replace it instead. Number 11. Flush brake fluid. Brake fluid absorbs water. Over 7 years, moisture can drop the boiling point by 100 degrees Fahrenheit. If the fluid boils during hard braking, you lose stopping power. Buy a $20 brake fluid tester. If moisture reads over 3%, flush the system. Aim for a flush every 2 to 3 years using the correct DOT 3, 4, or 5.1 fluid. Number 10. Protect your gearbox. Differentials and transfer cases are the most abused, forgotten parts. Gear oil breaks down into sludge and destroys bearings. Drain and refill these every 30 to 50,000 miles with the exact spec gear oil. If you tow, go off-road, or use AWD, this is mandatory. A seized differential costs thousands. Car care tips like this cost pennies by comparison. Number 9. Replace the PCV valve. The PCV valve controls engine pressure. When it fails, pressure builds up, blowing out seals and causing massive oil consumption. This part costs $10 but can cause $1,200 in leaks. Replace it every 30 to 50,000 miles. If you see smoke or notice oil loss, check this first. Number 8. Clean the mass airflow sensor. A dirty mass airflow sensor causes sluggish acceleration and poor MPG. It tells the computer how much air is entering the engine. One of my favorite car repair secrets is to clean this sensor before replacing it. Remove the sensor and spray it with CMAF sensor cleaner. Never touch the tiny wires inside. Do this every 12 to 15,000 miles, every few oil changes to restore power instantly. Number 7. Align your tires. Don't wait 12,000 miles like the manual says. By then, your tires are ruined. Check alignment every 6,000 miles or every oil change. Bad alignment destroys tires 30% faster and stresses your suspension. If the steering is off-center or the car pulls, fix it immediately. It's cheaper than new tires and control arms. Number 6. Avoid cold revving. Cold revving is the fastest way to kill an engine. It does not warm it up faster. Cold oil is thick and sits at the bottom. Revving causes metal-on-metal contact, scoring bearings and blowing turbo seals. Start the engine, idle for 30 seconds to build oil pressure, then drive gently. Keep RPMs under 3,000 until the temperature gauge rises. Number 5. Avoid excessive idling. Idling drops oil pressure and starves top-end parts like cam lifters. Worse, idling runs the engine rich, washing oil off cylinder walls and causing carbon buildup in the intake. Don't idle for 10 minutes to warm up. Start, wait 45 seconds, and driving warms the car faster and prevents engine wear. Number 4. Wash the undercarriage. Salt and mud hold moisture against your frame and brake lines, rotting them from the inside out. I've seen subframes snap because of this. Rinse the undercarriage once a month in winter or if you live near the ocean. A standard car wash isn't enough. You need to hit the frame rails and wheel wells to fight corrosion. Number 3. Clean battery terminals. Corrosion blocks current and strains your alternator. Check your battery every few months for green or white buildup. Mix baking soda and warm water. Scrub terminals with an old toothbrush, rinse and dry. Coat with dielectric grease. Clean connections mean reliable starts and a longer-lasting electrical system. Number 2. Watch for unusual sounds. Turn down the radio. Squealing brakes mean worn pads. Clicking while turning means a bad CV joint. Knocking means engine trouble. The earlier you catch a noise, the cheaper the fix. Ignored noises turn into system failures. If your car doesn't sound smooth, it's warning you. Listen to it. Number 1. Track maintenance. You won't remember when you last flushed the coolant. Smart drivers use a logbook or an app like Carfax Care, Drivo, or Simply Auto. Track every oil change, part replacement, and service. This prevents missed maintenance and proves the car's value if you sell it. The best mechanic advice I can give is to have a plan. Track it, fix it, and drive it. If you follow these habits, hitting 500,000 miles isn't luck. It's a plan.